This is the MTPredictor weekly market update for November 15th. I'm going to start here with natural gas because I think it's going to be very similar to what we're going to see in oil. So with natural gas here, we had this, and I'm going to go through a lot of charts today here as well, but this is just a 200 period and a 50 period moving average in case you're wondering. Just a couple of moving averages everybody's going to be looking at. But anyway, monthly chart here, natural gas. We had the big move down here, and you see now it's just consolidating. In other words, we're basically getting these moves. If I clear all this off, if I take a decision point off of this low, and these decision points are support and resistance levels, you can see that price, once it moved into a decision point, rallied off of that level. You can take another decision point here, rallied into decision point resistance, fell off into decision point support here, and then if I take a decision point off of this, there's another level just below here. Alright, so if we look at this, is similar to what I think we're going to see kind of going forward here for a while anyway in oil. So let's just take a look at oil. So again, oil, we had the big move down here. So just as we had, the big move here, the big move up and then down here, and then we went into this long period of kind of consolidation in oil. Now we have another big move down here, and I think again here's the decision point support here from the monthly chart that we just touched there before we rallied, rolling over on the daily chart into a little wave 2 or B here. We'll call it a wave 2 since we've got the monthly support here. All right, so I think we're gonna, if I kind of go down to the daily chart here, you'll see you see how we have the big move out here, and then things going to kind of chop around here with our, take a decision point off of this here. So we hit the support here, we hit resistance here. Let's see, I don't know if it reached this level here. Yeah, it just came into the resistance level here off of that swing. Alright, so we've got a major low here, an initial rally off of that. This ends up being the first ABC correction here where the TS4 is. Again, we're in a potential wave 2 or B level. Alright, so here's the initial target for this. Again, there's going to be decision point support from the daily chart here. But I think we're going to continue to kind of chop now in between these levels. So there'll be some good moves up and down. 10 plus point moves, maybe getting spikes and 20 point moves in oil. But I think we're going to form another kind of choppy period. Let's go through and look at the Dow here. So again, the Dow had the nice move up right into decision point resistance here off this last swing. So we took out this swing here, went through, hit the level here, trading back below the 200, above the 50 here, and you'll have a little pattern here now as well. So you should see it here maybe 7 before we kind of support pattern. Right, we're going to hold us that positive at the end of the thing. Select a rally you get if the fit they're going to obviously high bot. If they don't, they're going to before they may get into the price. We'll looking at on sport. Remember the sports was making highs. Did those when we did is the trend not new high. We got the rotation has not followed. We never knew Dow trend. Now you have a need to see sports start following stocks here, and if this will be the year, get a pull on both in the Dow trend, and then out of that level wave, into the firming area, right? That major before the gets here, the wave in bigger and wave 18,000 here, starting to get them high here. 5 transfer in the. Let's look at go to the month and just look British pound here. We had a TS reached the target decision. Here's your next. So this is kind of getting these levels. Then we support into the yeah. So that's a decision place signal that came in. There's their 69. But again, it's kind of still here. report another wrap back 5 6. Let's see, dollar. Yeah, TS buy last long up the distance. So put there right 100 right on the level. We look at itself. Dollar index. Here's the daily came into the distance in the fraction. Gave us for a wave 3. Now we didn't target price this year. Retest is as of the hit in currents the dollar hit. Here's what the fleet chart monthly a pattern. So here a leg will level here. We'll get decision point. Let's project up. Dollar didn't quit back. We still looks like chart the run in the dollar on the SE chart. The wave 5. Then we'll anticipate move. Get in back to this back 90. Get the yen. This pattern here. We pull back. You can see with 1/3 distance here. Probably where you come in. Here, based on right in here. Your minimum. So that will be $5. Once we're there, we then again action back DP. Let's look at where's the dollar. Now check this. Just take it to that. See, we've got closes below that. Consider taking it. So here, a full project down here. Take us right about and 5. 160 around there. That continues goes to the weight, and then we again back more deep down there. Turning into the double heap.